our son's going to go into for school and different program.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
And it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
If she decides that he's going to go to a private school.
Your W-2, you made $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That will bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100. There will be nothing wrong with that. Okay.
So we'll discuss that. We were married, got a divorce a couple of years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
Miss Stewart shocked the courtroom when she revealed she kept her ex-husband's last name for the sake of their son. Though they've been divorced for years, a recent decision has brought them back before the judge. What's driving this once amicable co-parenting relationship to the edge?
He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's
requesting more child support, claiming their son needs a $1,100 a month. Private school despite the father already paying $430. Is it for the child's future or about control?
He's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's
split the $550 month tuition for 9 months. He trusts her choice, but worries about long-term commitment tension. Rises over how long this support will last.
It's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure that's what she wanted to do. So I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
It rejects the father's plan to pause child support, stressing legal timelines and ongoing needs for the child. But the biggest shock is still ahead. Which pulls out his W-2 showing $62,500.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately, it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months.
A year tension fills the room. She runs the numbers, hinting at a full reset of the support order. What she finds could increase his payments even more. Then she announces a number that's stunned.
And then at the 3rd month, have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue one for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
definitely daycare. I mean, that's still...
I understand she has expenses, but so basically If she decides that he's going to go,
Having insurance is a rare win, but it only shaves $60 off his income. The judge continues dissecting every dollar, and she's not done yet. The real bombshell is coming.
if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns, again, and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct? In your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
Mine is like $60. $60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say, 51.
In deductions and his 2 other kids, the new support could be $665. He hesitates, but settles on $550, a brief moment of relief. But it doesn't last.
Bring your gross to about, let's say, $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have
I have 2 other children.
that are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the
The 550?
The 550.
I think the 550 is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting
The judge leaves it to them, but it's a rare moment of cooperation. Despite the tension, both still want what's best. Is peace finally possible? One final ruling remains.
Plan.
And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something? I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under Dad's insurance, and there would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. There would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
So if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until
month.
the 1st of next month, yeah. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further.
Calm voices and a final order. It's done. The new support terms start next month. After all the tension and emotion, they leave with a plan. It wasn't easy, but their son stayed the priority. If you believe in fair co-parenting and strong decisions, comment